Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you the L&T welcome kit that's here. From this year L&T has started providing a t-shirt. That's a well designed t-shirt, Adidas, with the logo of L&T as you can see here. It's really well designed t-shirt. Awesome man, awesome. My future first batch of 2022. Next is a well designed wildcraft bag, Larson and Turbo to bro. You can see here it's also a good bag, very good bag. Here is the gift. Let me unbox this. So here is going to be the next welcome kit. This is an amazing pen and a diary, and I guess a water bottle would be here. Here is the water bottle. I think temperature sensor is given. Here you can see 25 degrees Celsius. Amazing man, wonderful, very nice bottle. Here you can see the logo L&T, Larson and Tubro. Here is the pen and here is the diary. That's all about welcome kit, and this is the room, the 5-star room that L&T provide for orientation and peace joining activities. You can see it's 5-star hotel. Very well room.